Colin. I like how
Another sheriff?
yeah, I like how they give you the titles like, hi, I'm Sheriff Colin. Tough new Sheriff Colin on an urgent mission to clean up the town arrives at the saloon. So you're a sheriff and you're coming to clean up the town and you're in a saloon and that's your scene and you're going to do the sound effects.
Squeaky. Ding 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 ding. Hey, what's the big idea? Ding 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 ding.
You know, I've seen less germs on the pole at the strip club.
That's why I use protection on the mic.
Man, this thing is soaked. I had a nickel for every time I said that, huh? Let's move on.
You have a dime.
I have a dime. Let's move on to a game.